I love this steering rack. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely buy it again. I think for me and the level of abuse that I put that thing through, I definitely think it's worth it. The price tag on it, I'm not gonna lie, the price tag on it sucks. You know, I think that there's two things that Shock Therapy could do different or better. One of them is probably my biggest gripe about it. In one of their videos, they said that there was what Justin said, it was something along the lines of, we're going to put our money where our mouth is and we're going to offer a lifetime warranty on this. So being in racing, I was like, hey, I have a product that I can get a lifetime warranty on, done. So that was one of my buying criteria for it. It turns out that is not, I'm not going to say that's not true, but that is not, it is not what I thought it was. Hence why I'm still doing the maintenance on this and stuff. The other thing that I think they could do better is, and that I wish I would have known, when you buy this, tear it apart before it ever even goes in the car. Tear it apart and just put some more grease in it. Because that main tool steel bar that's in there, you guys probably noticed that it was rusty. That's because when I got it, it was dry. So it doesn't need a lot of grease. Just put a nice thin layer over the whole thing and then it's no big deal, right? And then it won't get rusty and stuff. Sure, it probably creates a little bit heavier steering, you know, having to push everything through the grease and stuff like that. But I would personally, I would way rather that than have parts rust and wear out prematurely. So, as you guys know, literally I run every part that Shock Therapy sells for an X3. I love Justin, Steven, all the guys and stuff like that. Huge shout out to Lauren who assembles these. Love you guys, and I 100% am staying a Shock Therapy customer. And like I said, it's just, you know, I'm wanting to be super honest with you guys. And you know, I think if you rebuild this and you just go through it, and this is what, 5,000 miles. That's the first time I've ever had to put shims in it. So if you just go through it, you know, every 1,500 miles or so, or just once a year, you know, like everybody has an off season of riding. If you just go through it once a year during that off season, it gives you something to tinker with anyway. This steering rack is going to be bulletproof. It is fantastic. So again, hope you guys learned something, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the desert.